There's expected clean, and then there's clean like you've never seen. Zep takes clean to the next level. Revive colors and remove stains with Zep Area Rug Shampoo. This convenient low-foam solution cleans and restores colors without damaging expensive area rugs. Trusted by professionals, this deep cleaning formula helps resist future soiling. It doesn't leave behind a sticky residue for dirt to cling to because it uses anti-resoiling agents, which prolongs time in between cleanings. Just vacuum the area. Apply as directed by carpet cleaning machine. Allow surface to dry. And vacuum again. One look at the results and you'll know why for over 80 years pros have trusted Zep to tackle the toughest jobs. Go beyond what you thought was possible with our full line of carpet cleaners. Discover results that get talked about with Zep Next Level Clean.